Here I've got BLU Vivo OnePlus 2019, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick apps and notifications, and then go to advanced options, scroll down a bit and pick special app access. Here you will notice install unknown apps, just choose this tab, and as you can see here you can allow some particular application to install different apps from them. For example, we can give this permission to Google Chrome and just smoothly click on allow from this source. And that's it. From now on you will be able to download and install applications downloaded through Google Chrome. You can do the same thing for Google Drive and whichever application you only want to. So let me do it for Gmail and Opera as well. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate installation of unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.